Here's a brief overview of how to use the credit memo feature in QuickBooks Online. So once you're logged in and you see your dashboard, you're going to go up to the New button, select Credit Memo, and we are issuing a credit memo for 1 week of gardening service to Casey Moss Tax and Accounting, LLC. We had previously invoiced for 2 weeks. We only got around to 1 week, so we need to issue a credit, the amount of $75. One thing to keep in mind, this product and service line, if you're selecting a product or service that you track in your inventory in QuickBooks Online, this will add that product back to your inventory. So if for any reason the credit memo that you're issuing, you're not actually getting the product back, you're going to need to record an inventory adjustment, which you can find in another video. But so we're going to just do the $75 credit. We're going to hit Save and Send. You're going to see the pop-up. This is the PDF that'll be attached to the email that you send to the customer. Subject line as well as the body you can adjust however you want. Hit Send and Close. Now let's see what QuickBooks did. If you go to All Sales, do a quick filter by customer. So you can see there's 2 invoices that we had issued previously. 1038 for $75. That status is listed as paid. 1039 for $75. That one's still listed as open. So what QuickBooks does is when you issue a credit memo and there are prior invoices outstanding, it's going to apply it to the oldest invoice first. So this was the oldest invoice. The credit memo is listed as closed. And then QuickBooks creates this transaction, a payment transaction, that'll show the actual payment of the invoice. If for some reason we wanted to apply the $75 to invoice 1039 instead of 1038, we can manually adjust this payment transaction. So if you click in here, you can scroll down, you see it's applied to 1038. Let's uncheck that and check mark 1039. We'll have to recheck this credit memo, and then we can hit Save and Close. Now once we do that, this invoice will be listed as open, so the next payment we receive will pop up to this one. If for some reason you are issuing a credit memo before you've actually issued an invoice, then there's a couple of things we need to keep in mind. So if we go to New, Credit Memo, let's select a different customer. Let's go to this Cool Cars. Let's say we're doing concrete, $250. Okay. So we're issuing a credit memo. We're going to hit Save and Close. Now, when we go to invoice this customer, Cool Cars, let's say concrete, and we did $500 total. We're going to hit Save and Close. Now let's filter for that customer, Cool Cars, apply. You can see that the credit memo is listed as closed. This is the invoice for $500. You can see that the balance is showing as $250. So again, QuickBooks will automatically apply any credit memos that you have on file to future invoices. If you want to change that setting, if you don't want it to apply to future invoices, all you'll have to do is go up to Accountant Settings here, go to Advanced, Automation, Automatically Apply Credits. You can turn that off if for any reason you want that off. Those are the basics. If you have any more specific questions, feel free to contact me, Casey Moss Tax and Accounting, LLC in Illinois, and you can find me at CaseyMossTax.com.